Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a bamboo furniture design and decor ideas for interior design finishes. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Bamboo has emerged as one of the most popular materials in contemporary interior design, thanks to its sustainability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. As a fast-growing grass, bamboo is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional hardwoods, making it an excellent choice for furniture and decor. This video will explore various bamboo furniture designs and decor ideas, offering inspiration for creating beautiful, functional spaces that embrace this natural material. Bamboo is known for its strength and flexibility, making it suitable for various furniture applications. It has a unique grain pattern that adds character to pieces, and its light color can brighten up any space. Additionally, bamboo is resistant to moisture and pests, making it durable and long-lasting. Types of bamboo. Mozo bamboo, the most commonly used species for furniture, known for its strength and thickness. Dendrocalamus, known for its large diameter, often used in outdoor furniture. Guajua, a strong species popular in construction and larger furniture pieces. Bamboo furniture styles. Bamboo furniture can complement various interior design styles, from modern to rustic. Here are some popular styles. Modern minimalist. Design elements, clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. Bamboo pieces, look for sleek bamboo coffee tables with geometric shapes or minimalist shelving units. Decor tips, use a monochromatic color palette with pops of greenery to enhance the modern aesthetic. Tropical or coastal. Design elements, light colors, natural textures, and a relaxed vibe. Bamboo pieces, incorporate bamboo loungers, accent chairs, or outdoor dining sets. Decor tips, pair bamboo furniture with light fabrics, nautical decor, and plenty of plants to create a breezy atmosphere. Rustic farmhouse. Design elements, warmth, natural materials, and vintage charm. Bamboo pieces, choose reclaimed bamboo dining tables or sideboards with distressed finishes. Decor tips, combine bamboo with other rustic elements like reclaimed wood, linen fabrics, and vintage accessories. Asian-inspired. Design elements, Zen-like simplicity, harmony, and balance. Bamboo pieces, consider low-profile bamboo seating or platform beds. Decor tips, use shoji screens, soft textiles, and indoor plants to enhance the serene ambience. Bamboo furniture designs. Living room. Bamboo sofas, opt for a bamboo frame with plush cushions for comfort. Choose neutral fabrics to maintain a light feel. Coffee tables, a round bamboo coffee table can soften the room's edges while providing a unique focal point. Accent chairs. Incorporate bamboo accent chairs with colorful upholstery to add a pop of color. Bedroom. Bamboo bed frames, a platform bed made from bamboo offers a contemporary look while being eco-friendly. Nightstands, look for minimalist bamboo nightstands with open shelving for a clean look. Dressers, choose a bamboo dresser with integrated mirrors to create an illusion of space. Dining room. Dining tables, a large bamboo dining table can serve as the centerpiece of the room. Consider options with extendable features for versatility. Chairs, pair the table with comfortable bamboo dining chairs or benches. Buffets and sideboards, utilize bamboo buffets for storage while maintaining an organic look. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Office space. Desks, a sleek bamboo desk can enhance productivity while adding warmth to the workspace. Shelving units, open bamboo shelves can provide both storage and display options for books and decor. Office chairs, choose ergonomic bamboo chairs that support comfort during long hours of work. Bamboo decor ideas. Wall treatments. Bamboo paneling, use bamboo panels to create an accent wall that adds texture and warmth to any room. Bamboo wallpaper, consider wallpaper featuring bamboo patterns for an elegant touch without overwhelming the space. Accessories. Bamboo lighting fixtures, pendant lights made from woven bamboo can add an organic touch while providing warm illumination. Bamboo rugs, incorporate area rugs made from natural fibers, including bamboo, to enhance comfort and style. Planters and greenery. Bamboo planters, use bamboo pots or stands to display indoor plants, creating a seamless connection between nature and design. Vertical gardens, create a vertical garden using bamboo frames to showcase various plants in a stylish manner. Sustainability in bamboo furniture design. Sustainability is one of the key advantages of using bamboo in furniture design. As one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, bamboo can be harvested without causing environmental damage. By choosing bamboo furniture, you support eco-friendly practices and contribute to reducing deforestation. Certifications to look for. When selecting bamboo furniture, look for certifications such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, ensures that the bamboo is sourced sustainably. CARB, California Air Resources Board, indicates low formaldehyde emissions in composite materials. Caring for bamboo furniture. To maintain the beauty and longevity of your bamboo furniture. Cleaning, use a soft cloth and mild soap to clean surfaces, avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. Avoid moisture, keep bamboo furniture away from excessive moisture to prevent warping or mold growth. Regular maintenance, apply natural oils periodically to nourish the wood and maintain its sheen. Bamboo furniture offers a unique blend of style, sustainability, and versatility that can elevate any interior design project. From modern minimalism to rustic farmhouse aesthetics, there are endless possibilities for incorporating this beautiful material into your home. By exploring various designs and decor ideas, you can create inviting spaces that celebrate nature while reflecting your personal style. Incorporating bamboo into your home not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes positively to the environment. Whether you choose statement pieces or subtle accents, bamboo furniture will undoubtedly bring warmth and character to your living spaces. Embrace the beauty of bamboo and transform your interiors into a sanctuary of style and sustainability. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.